Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute, easy keychain. No plastic. So you will need some tape, some yarn for the pom-pom. If you want to make your pom-pom heart-shaped, you'll need like a cardboard heart. A baggie is optional. Some paper, or you can use like a sticker. I'll tell you about that later. Thread is optional too. Something to draw with, something to color with is optional, but you can use it if you want. And a pair of scissors. And if you're going to be using the thread, you'll need a needle. I'll show you later. Okay, let's get started. First, you're going to need something you're going to make into a keychain. You can make a sticker, a drawing, whatever. So I'm going to do a drawing. Okay, I finished drawing what I'm going to make into a keychain. I just made a cute little ice cream cone. You can draw or use any sticker you want. Coloring is optional, but I'm going to color mine. You can use pencils, markers, and crayons. I'm going to use maybe all of those. I'll see. Okay, I finished coloring my ice cream cone. This is how it looks. I think I need to recolor over the sprinkles real quick. So I'm going to just do that. Okay, I'm done with that. There we go, now you can see the sprinkles a little better. And now for the next part, you are going to cut your sticker, not your sticker, but your drawing out. If you have a sticker, you won't need to cut it out. So just get that stick if you have a sticker. Okay, I finished cutting my ice cream cone out. Okay, now for the next part, you can use a baggie if you want, and it'll just make it easier. So that if you're doing it on a piece of paper, then you can make it like stick to the piece of paper. I'll show you why later. And you're going to take your tape, and you're going to put it on both sides of your sticker or your drawing as a lot of layers. I might do like 3 or 4. It helps it be more like plastic. It starts getting harder and it's more like plastic. That way you don't have to use plastic for it. Try not to do any air bubbles in it. It's okay if you do, but it might look nicer if you don't have any air bubbles. Okay, I'm done. I did around like 3 to 4 layers on each side, and now I'm going to cut around it, but you're going to want, I'm going to do like a little circle like around here. That's going to be the hole to hold, like, so you can hold it up and attach it to your like backpack and stuff. So just draw the hole wherever you want it. You want to leave a border. you don't want it to be too, don't want to cut too close, but it doesn't have to be too big. Okay, I'm done, and now you just need to cut like a little circle right here. So a little hole so you can put like yarn in to like hang it. Okay, I'm done. I have my hole. Now you're going to cut a piece of your yarn long enough, as long as you want. And you're going to put it through the hole. Okay, it should be like this. You can make it as long as you want. You can cut it if you want. Then you're going to tie a knot at the top like this. Just a super easy knot. Like that. Super easy. Cut that. And there we go. So here it is. You can stop now, but I'm going to continue to make the pom-pom. So you are going to need some yarn, any color you want. And then you're going to wrap it around all 4 of your fingers 100 times. Okay, I'm done. You don't want to wrap it around your fingers too tight or it'll be hard to get off. So then you're going to take it off your fingers, cut it, cut a string. Now put it around the middle and then tie. Okay, I finished that. If your string is long, you can cut it. Should look something like this, like a circle. But then you're gonna take your scissors, put it in the loops like this, and just cut all the way around. All the loops. You want to get all the loops. Just make sure you don't cut this middle thing that's holding it together. After you're done cutting all the loops, you can trim it and make it a little nicer if you want. I'm going to just do that real quick. But don't trim it too much because you want your cardboard heart to be able to fit on it. And I'm going to just put it out like this. Okay, I'm done. Just like this. You're going to put your cardboard heart on. This is optional. And you're going to cut all around it. You're going to just cut all around it. Okay, here it is. Yours should look kind of like a heart shape. If you need to fix it up more, you can. Okay, and now what you're going to do is you're going to need the string and scissors. I mean, the string, scissors, and a needle. Okay, after you threaded your needle, you're going to go at the bottom and you're going to stick your needle through the pom-pom. You're going to pull it over the top. like that. And if it needs any trimming now, just do that real quick. Okay, when you're done with that, you're going to stick it down through that hole that you made. You can make it as long as you want. And then you're going to stick it in the same hole like that. Over and over again. And that should make these little things right there. Okay, I'm done with that. I'm going to just cut it string. And there you go, you're done. You have your cute heart-shaped pom-pom and your cute, so it's a really cute keychain that is super easy to make. Bye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.